this is the one y'all been asking me about, fam. I'm telling you, the Soundcore Q11i. You know how many times I get asked, oh, I want the Q20i, but I really don't care about the ANC. Which one should I get? This is it. This is gonna answer that question for you once and for all. One touch, deeper bass. So it got a bass button. We definitely gonna check that out. Pretty much all the usual stuff. 60-hour playtime. Hey, that's pretty good. 5 minutes, 4 hours. Multi-point connection. Detachable ear cushions. The fact that they're actually advertising detachable ear cushions, that's different. That is different. But oh, look, they gave us a little demo right here on the side here. And the back is pretty much all the same stuff that I just read off to you. We need to open this. All right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Can we put this? Where are we gonna put this? Right here. Okay. So we got. Oh, it's buried in here, guys. Oh, finally. All right. We put that to the side. The Q11 quick start guide, 3.5 audio cable, USB-C for charging. That leaves us with you know what. Oh man, this is really tied up in there. Oh, what? This is it, fam. I got the white version. They clearly come in black, just FYI. This is it. Hold up. Let me check them out. Okay, we got our labels. Y'all see that? Right in here. I think y'all do. Okay. All right, flexible. Oh yes, they bend in. Thank goodness. All right. So they pretty much doing everything the Q20i do. Q11i right there. There's the volume rocker, play, pause, and power button. LED indicator, USB-C for charging, 3.5 audio. And I didn't want to leave this out, but right there, that's actually a microphone. And that blue bass button. Check that out. Blue bass button. So these cushions, these ear cups feel pretty good, fam. Let's see how hard is it to get these off. Uh-oh. I heard a snap. Did y'all hear that snap? Hopefully y'all didn't. Oh, okay. Let me read the manual first. Okay, fam. So after reading the manual, you're supposed to twist and pull. So let's do that. Here's the left ear cup. Twist. And oh my goodness, I'm failing bad. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Check it out. See that little crack there? So right tightens it. See, I just tightened it. And when we go left, oh, there we go. Look at that. It is off, fam. There's our driver in there. This is what holds it down. This is what it looks like. And of course on that side, you get your ear pads. So detachable ear pads. It also tells you real close right here. Oh, you can barely see that. But it says arrow up, L. So that's letting you know that it goes on the left side at the top. So to put it on, we're gonna go sideways just like that, because remember, we had to turn it this way. So see those grooves? And see that? Y'all see that right there? So we're gonna have to put it on this way now. And ooh, there it goes. There it is. It's snapped in. And voila, we got our headphones back. Okay, I didn't plan to do this, but bonus content, all right? So here's the Q20i, here's the Q11i. As you can see, they put the Soundcore branding right up here. On the Q11i, it's not there. But what's more important See the two microphones right here versus the one right here? That's because this one has ANC. This one's just a single. So you can see that right there. And when we flip it over, and where my thumb is, you see that microphone right there? And of course, the Q11i doesn't have one. All right, they replaced your ANC button or your noise cancellation button right there with the blue bass button. That is one of the major changes here outside of the microphones that I just pointed out to you. Now, one thing to note, when you hit the bass button here, it's going to just toggle to bass boost. And when you press it again, it's gonna go back to Soundcore signature. So every time you press it, it just goes to bass boost, just so you'll know. So outside of those differences, let's see if we can pull off the ear cups on the Q20i. Okay, so it says go left, right. So, oh my goodness. Nah, this ain't a good idea. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna break them, so we're not gonna do that. Now, as advertised, the Q11, oh, look how easy. It already split. Ta-da! It's off of there. So, major differences here, being able to pull off the ear cups easily. Your noise cancellation button turned into a bass button. You only get one microphone because there's no ANC microphones on here. So on the Q20i, it was one and one over there. But fam, these are brothers from another mother right here. Brothers from another mother. Q11i, link in the description below. Let me know if y'all want to see more of these headphones or if you want me to compare them against other headphones, all right? Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.